Now I am going to show you few remedies for dry cough. Constant coughing is irritable and it need to be looked into. Here are some remedies for dry cough. Soak few almonds overnight and in the morning peel it. After peeling the skin, crush them and make a paste. After that, for next process, we need some butter and sugar. Let's start the process. Take crushed badam, add some butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix them well. Now the paste is ready. Have this paste every morning and evening till cough stops. Second remedy for dry cough. For this, we need basil or tulsi leaves, crushed ginger and honey. Take a pan. Boil some water for 10 minutes. Now add few tulsi or basil leaves in it and ginger crush and allow it to boil for 5 more minutes. Now filter this mixture into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it well. Have this water 2 to 3 times in a day till you get relief. Third remedy for dry cough. For this we need a glass of hot water, turmeric and carom seed powder. Let's start the process. Take a glass of hot water, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of carom seed powder and mix it well. Have this water 2 times in a day till you get relief from cough. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.